Hi everyone, welcome back to my class. Let's start the session. Let me recall the last class what we have learned. Last class we have learned chapter 5 industries part 1. In that we learned what is an industry, classification of industries, factors affecting location of industries. Now we are going to learn about industrial system, industrial regions, distribution of major industries like iron and steel industry and cotton textile industry. Now let's see in detail. Industrial system. An industrial system consists of inputs, process and outputs. The inputs are the raw materials, labor and cost of land, transport, power and other infrastructure. The process include a wide range of activities that convert the raw material into the finished products. The outputs are the end product and the income earned from it. Now let's see what is industrial regions. Industrial regions emerge when a number of industries locate close to each other and share the benefits of their closeness. Major industrial regions of the world are Eastern North America, Western and Central Europe, Eastern Europe and Eastern Asia. Look at this map of world. You can see where the industrial regions are located. So which is given in black color. They are all industrial regions. Now let's see, India has several industrial regions like Mumbai Pune cluster, Bangalore Tamil Nadu region, Hooghly region, Ahmedabad Baroda region, Chota Nagpur industrial belt, Vishakhapatnam Guntur belt, Gurgaon Delhi Meerut region and the Kollam Thiruvananthapuram industrial cluster. Now let's see the distribution of major industries. The world's major industries are the iron and steel industry, the textile industry and the information technology industry. The iron and the steel and textile industry are the older industries, while information technology is an emerging industry. The countries in which iron and steel industry is located are Germany, USA, China, Japan and Russia. Textile industry is concentrated in India, Hong Kong, South Korea, Japan and Taiwan. The major hubs of information technology industry are the Silicon Valley of Central California and the Bangalore region of India. Now let's see about iron and steel industry. The inputs for the industry include raw materials such as iron ore, coal and limestone, along with labor, capital, site and other infrastructure. The process of converting iron ore into steel involves many stages. Steel is tough and it can easily be shaped, cut or made into wire. Special alloys of steel can be made by adding small amounts of other metals such as aluminum, nickel and copper. Alloy give steel unusual hardness, toughness or ability to resist rust. In India, iron and steel industry has developed taking advantage of raw materials, cheap labor, transport and market. All the important steel producing centers such as Bhilai, Durgapur, Barnapur, Jamshedpur, Rourkela are situated in a region that spreads over 4 states: West Bengal, Jharkhand, Odisha and Chhattisgarh. Bhadravati and Vijayanagar in Karnataka, Vishakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh, Salem in Tamil Nadu are other important steel centers utilizing local resources. Now let's see about cotton textile. Cotton textile industry. Weaving cloth from yarn is an ancient art. Cotton, wool, silk, jute, flax have been used for making cloth. The textile industry can be divided on the basis of raw materials used in them. Fibers are the raw material of the textile industry. Man-made fibers include nylon, polyester, acrylic, and rayon. The cotton textile industry is one of the oldest industries in the world till the Industrial Revolution in the 18th century. Cotton cloth was made using hand spinning techniques and looms. In 18th century, power looms facilitated the development of cotton textile industry. First in Britain and later in other parts of the world. Today, India, China, Japan, and the USA are important producers of cotton textiles. In India, where the cotton textile is located, let's see. In India, Coimbatore, Kanpur, Chennai, Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Kolkata, Ludhiana, Puducherry, and Panipat are some of the other important centers of cotton textile industry. Look at this map of India. You can find out major textile centers in India. See, Chennai, Coimbatore, Madurai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Kanpur, and more places are marked here. These are the cotton textiles available in India. Children, now let me explain the worksheet. Write the difference between public sector and joint sector industry. This is in part 1. You can look at the part 1 video and you can answer for the first question. The second one is mark the cotton textile industries on the political map of India. You have to buy the map from the shop and you have to mark the cotton textiles where it is available in India. Write a short note about iron and steel industry. Okay children, once you're done with your homework, send it to the WhatsApp group Grade 8 Social Science NAPS group between 6 to 8 in the evening. Bye. Take care. Have a great day.